Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin now. Sign into the same Microsoft account on Edge and the Bing app, then install the Rewards extension. Once done, enable sync and notifications so activity tracks across devices. You want at least one qualifying action today, perform a few quick searches, and open the Rewards dashboard. Make sure to set a realistic daily goal. A single mobile search plus a few PC searches or the daily set, which immediately starts earning points and establishing your streak. Now continue the process by hitting the daily set first. Quizzes, polls, and short offers usually take 2 to 5 minutes and secure steady points. Then perform searchable actions, use both PC and mobile searches to hit the day's target, and keep an eye on promotional multipliers. Once done with searches, open Edge Sidebar and Image Challenges for quick bonuses. Make sure to refresh the Rewards dashboard so you can confirm which tasks remain and finish anything missing before midnight. Finish the day by confirming points in your activity feed and rewarding yourself with a small redemption if desired to reinforce the habit. Once done, set a daily reminder so you don't miss the cutoff. Streaks require at least one qualifying activity each UTC day for many users, so know your local UTC window. If things go wrong and the streak doesn't register, clear cache, sign out, and sign back in. Verify the same account is linked across devices, and retry the missing action before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.